Smart homes are becoming more connected and intelligent. Portable smart TVs play an important role in this ecosystem, with wireless connectivity and smart operating systems. These devices can easily integrate with other smart home technologies. You can stream workout classes in the morning, follow cooking recipes in the kitchen, or watch movies in the evening because the screen is mobile. It adapts to your daily routine instead of forcing you to adjust to the device. Many users also appreciate its role as a mobile productivity screen for video, meetings, or collaborative work. The growing popularity of portable smart TVs has created strong demand across global markets. The China Ikinor portable smart TV factory is now officially in mass production, delivering OEM and ODM manufacturing solutions. Portable smart TVs are helping define the next generation of smart living.